Let's see how to make rich and creamy tomato soup without using any cream. Here I am using Roma tomatoes or oval shaped tomatoes which are little tangy compared to vine tomatoes. Alongside we need some butter, garlic, onions and some bay leaves. In this video I am using my instant pot, however you may use a pressure cooker or an open pan to do the same. To begin, in the inner pot I am adding all at once 2 tablespoons butter, 2 garlic cloves, roughly chopped half an onions, diced tomatoes and 3/4 cup of water. Adding some salt and 2 bay leaves. Now close the instant pot lid and slide the vent to ceiling. Set it into pressure cook mode or manual pressure for normal heat and high pressure for 4 minutes. Now if you're using a pressure cooker, then cook it for 2 whistles on a medium flame, and if you're using an open pan, let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Release the pressure after 10 minutes and keep warm and open the lid. Remove the bay leaves and transfer only the tomatoes and onions to the blending jar, leaving behind the water. Now, trick to get creamy restaurant style soup without adding any milk cream is to add some cashew nuts. Now you may add them before along with tomatoes to pressure cook, or you may add them just before blending. It's totally up to you. Now blend this well and add it back to the instant pot. Here I have added half more cup of water to the blending jar and pouring it back into the soup. Adding some pepper powder. Here, this is completely optional, or depending on the tanginess of the tomatoes, you may add half a teaspoon of sugar. Here I am not adding it. Now set the saute mode and let the soup come to boil, stirring them occasionally. It's all ready to be served. Here I am serving it with some homemade croutons and garlic breadsticks. Please do try it out and leave me a comment, like or dislike. For more such healthy recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notification on whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.